Hello, and welcome to the 2026 Federal Realty Investment Trust Annual Meeting of Shareholders. Please note that this meeting is being recorded. Questions may be submitted via the questions box to the right of your screen by typing your message, then clicking the submit button. The meeting is about to begin.
Good morning, and welcome to the Federal Realty Investment Trust's 2026 Annual Shareholders Meeting. I'm Dave Fader, the Chairman of the Board. All of the members of our Board of Trustees, along with the representatives of Grant Thornton, our independent auditor, and Pillsbury Winthrop Shaw Pittman, our corporate counsel, are in attendance. I'd like to ask that the meeting come to order. If you have any questions on the proposals being voted on today, please go ahead and submit them via the web portal and indicate what proposal your question relates to. If you are participating in today's meeting as a guest, you will not be able to submit any questions. If you have any questions that are not related to today's proposal, please submit them to ir@federalrealty.com so that we can follow up outside of this meeting. Dawn Becker is serving as the Inspector of Elections for the annual meeting, and at this time, I would like to turn it over to Dawn.
Thanks, Dave. The notice of this meeting was properly given to all shareholders of record as of the close of business on the record date of March 18, 2026. A quorum is present at this meeting for purposes of conducting business. We have 3 company proposals to be voted on today. Proposal number 1 is for the election of 8 trustees to serve until our 2027 Annual Meeting of Shareholders. Proposal number 2 is an advisory vote to approve our executive compensation of our named executive officers as described in the proxy statement. Proposal number 3 is the ratification of our appointment of Grant Thornton LLP as our independent registered public accounting firm for 2026. The polls are now open. Any shareholder who has not yet voted or wishes to change their vote may do so by following the instructions on the web portal. Shareholders who have sent in proxies or voted via telephone or internet and do not want to change their vote do not need to take any further action. As I'm looking, I do not see any questions submitted, and we have had the opportunity to vote, so I declare that the polls are closed. The preliminary results show that all proposals have passed. The voting results for all proposals will be filed as required by SEC rules. This annual meeting is hereby adjourned, and thank you very much for joining us today.
This concludes today's conference call. Thank you for participating, and you may now disconnect.